Second place, Paul Harper, Turkey Creek. We got Ultimate Bagger Radical first place, Denny Smith. Okay, now we're going to get into some of our best of. We're going to start with Best Engine, Kevin McCarthy.
Wow, this is really good.
1, 2, 3.
Our best paint choice was Donnie House.
1, 2, 3.
Our best display was Ron Schrock.
I was only giving out the other one. Hey, best stuff, you come back for the other one. All right, 1, 2, 3.
And our best of show would be Denny Smith. Okay.
All right, ready?
Stay in this
1,
order.
2, 3.
Okay, we did something with the judges. Everybody at Gale's rides. You guys know a lot of them. They love to show, they want an opportunity to show their bike. So we did a Team Gale's class. The judges picked top 3. So we're going to go through those real quick. Our third was Aaron West. The Shovelhead. Not here probably. Our second place was Robin Thiem. You guys all know Robin with the Supercharger. And our first place was Chris Cardello with the Screaming Eagle Fat Boy. I think that's it. Okay. Everybody, again, thank you for everything.
1, 2, 3. Good.
Don't let them go after the third one. Make sure that I get a chance
yeah,
with
that's
my
right.
grandkids.
Now what?
Go on 2.
What?
Tell him to go on 2.
I need to
Okay. Yeah, come on now.
Do I need your camera?
Oh, I thought you were going to go ahead and shoot yours first. Go ahead and shoot yours and then shoot mine.
I got them all.
Okay, you're...
I already got all 3.
All right, I'm sorry. I thought you were counting.
No.
Okay.
I'm going to do 3 in a row. 1, 2, 3, really fast pictures, okay? 1.